the COT open interest disaggregated indicator in AgenaTrader. This indicator corresponds to the mode of operation of the COT open interest legacy, instead using, however, the more finely broken down data of disaggregated reports. The open interest specifies the number of all currently held contracts. A high open interest, therefore, indicates that the market participants have great interest in this value. Vice versa, low open interest shows that a value has only few held contracts, and therefore little activity from the market participants. The calculation of the open interest occurs analogously to the legacy reports, and since for each long contract there must also be a market participant on the short side, two calculation methods are possible, here for commodity futures. Producer long plus swap dealer long plus swap dealer spread plus managed money long plus managed money spread plus other reportables long plus other reportables spread plus non-reportable long equals open interest. The second method is again analogous to the first method. You can see the calculation shown here. The following parameters are available for the COT open interest disaggregated. Categories: commodity. Open interest COM is the total open interest for commodities. Absolute outputs the open interest as an absolute number. Stochastic is the open interest as an oscillator with values between 0 and 100. None means there is no output for the open interest. Stochastic period. With this setting, you can enter a comparative period with which the stochastic display is calculated. This parameter is only triggered when open interest equals stochastic is activated. Percent of open interest for producer long-short spread position. Select true if this value should be displayed. This here is the percentage that the positions of the producers have of the overall open interest. A value of 0.5, for example, means that the producers have built up long positions in the size of 50% of the entire open interest. Percent of open interest for managed money long-short spread position. Select true if this value should be displayed. COT type. Under All, Other or Old, select which contracts should be used for the display. You can find more detailed information about this on the CFTC's website. Lastly, report type. Under this parameter, select whether the data from the reports should be read only for futures or for futures and options.